to the front and your mouth is shut. I say again, your mouth is shut.
Aye, sir! All of you are going to scream at the top of your lungs, done, sir. Do you understand? Aye, sir!
From the front, all the way down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lean down. Yes, sir. Hold it in. Get it in. Let's go. You can't now. Yes, sir. Fill it in.
Get up there and scream, I can't pick up the phone. It's automatic, yes, sir.
Oh, you face me now. Yes, sir. Face me now. Yes, sir. Face me. Aye, sir. Scream out, sir. Aye, sir. I'm going to say stand by the recruit. Aye, sir, one. Aye, sir, one. Aye, sir, two. Say two. Aye, sir. Aye, sir. 3, 4,
5, 6,
7. Aye, sir. 8. Say 8. 8. Scream out, sir. 8.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Scream right there, scream right there, get on the bus. Get on the bus. Next. Let's go, fire.
Sit up straight and look at me. My name is Staff Sergeant Roman, and I am your senior drill instructor. I am assisting my duties by drill instructor, Staff Sergeant Means, and drill instructor, Sergeant McCormick.
There's a war crowd.
She's swimming, but she got it. Come on, swim, baby, swim. Keep on swimming.
Yeah. Keep on biking.
This one does have a camera on it, so he could look at himself running from the side.
Get your guns ready.
I got you.
I don't think he's making it. Looking at him, he doesn't look like he's making it.
We gotta bring the ladder back. Oh wait.
Got it.
No, we gotta do the ladder. We're all ready. Y'all got it. Oh.